Hi, welcome to Phixman. So you must be wondering how we do things in the company, how we do things work. My name is Abdul Khan. Let me give you a brief tour of the office. Let's go. So this is where the magic happens. Let's begin with the sales team that perform here. Let's go. Everyone is working, everyone is working. That's how we do it.
I'm doing great.
Doing great. That's nice. This is the sales team that happens. This is where we make calls. This is where every BDP focuses on their particular clients. Maybe go for a conversion also. That's great. Keep doing your jobs. Keep doing the jobs. Keep doing the jobs. Excellent work happening. So you see how the sales pitches.
Guys, we received a payment of 1.50 lakhs from marketing McDonald's. Good job, Kunal.
That's amazing. That's amazing. This is how we celebrate our payments in Phixman. Whenever a payment is received, we ring that prestigious bell, and it's like a ritual. Any BD or any kind of payment that gets received, gets received. So before we move on to the other departments, let's focus on one of the most important departments, which is the seniors, where research and development is taken and most of the decisions are made. Hi sir. Great. Hi sir. Always busy. Come, let's complete the rest of the tour. We're escalating a bit. We're taking the floor up. It's the bulletin board actually. Whatever happens, we try to focus on these things. There are so many portraits kept up for your motivation. You know, you can find it in your So, I mean, there are people here sitting around. Obviously, this is the place where we chill. Where we chill. Everyone chills. There's a lounging room. If you feel tired, if you feel, you know, a little bit uneasy, you can come here, watch TV, play games. Sometimes, you know. Let's go. Still have left. Okay, so you can see the new set of people here. There's marketing team sitting, there's customer care, it's handling the work, and there are so many people around. Someone is lost in deep thoughts there, everyone is just working. We like to work. This is where the accounts team, you know, handles the money business, the money heist happens. So this was a small tour of the office and all the departments in the office. Let's conclude. I hope you guys like the tour. And any kind of questions that you face, you can drop us a comment. Step in. So after all the work is done, when you are satisfied, when the client is satisfied with all the departments, when he has observed the module, and when he is completely thorough with the process, this is the table where they sign the deal. The deal is cracked and he's officially a partner of Phixman. So when are you joining us?